How much time passed between the invention of the food can and the can opener? Same day. About 5 years. Almost 50 years. The opener came first. Correct answer. Almost 50 years. Which car company invented the modern seatbelt and made the patent free to save lives? Ford, Ferrari, Hot Wheels, Volvo. Correct answer. Volvo. What real device do aircraft engineers use to test the strength of windshields? Robot woodpecker, chicken gun, ice hammer, sonic howitzer. Correct answer. Chicken gun.